And what we're going to look at today is a web application that QMark designed to help error-proof and speed up the CMM probe Styli ordering process. So we're going to start from their website. We're going to do design your own probe, then start your design. And the first thing we're going to do is select a thread size. So we'll just select M4 here, and this will bring up their design page. And what you'll see on their design page is a 3D representation of a probe. And it should be pretty obvious what's going to happen next. We're simply going to fill in the various dimensions for a probe. And as we do this, you'll see the probe change on the screen. So, and also as you mouse over these dimensions, notice that it tells you what that dimension represents off to the left-hand side. So the first one, the L1, end of the ball to the thread shoulder. That means from here to here. So if I change this to 50, you can see that immediately grew the entire length of the probe. The next one is from the tip of the ball to the beginning of the base. We'll call that one 40. So now see our base shrunk back up and the overall length is still the same, 50 millimeters. We're going to change the diameter of the ball itself. So we're going to change that from 5 to 3. And now we want to put a couple steps into the stem. So the first step, the first dimension, the L3 dimension, is going to be from the tip of the ball to the first step. And we're going to call that 30 millimeters. And we'll make that stem diameter 2 millimeters. So you can see we went 30 millimeters from the tip of the ball, and then we made that a 2 millimeter diameter stem. Let's add another step. Let's make this 20 millimeters from the tip of the ball and make it a 1 millimeter diameter stem. So you can see now we've designed our probe. We've got the overall length. We've got the length from the tip to the base. We've got 2 steps in there, and we've stepped it down from 3 millimeters to 2 millimeters to 1 millimeter. And we can see what we've got in front of us. So we have confidence when we go to order this that we're actually getting what we expect to get. We know what we've ordered. There's no confusion about what dimensions mean. And of course the last step would be to select your ball material. So we'll leave that as ruby, let's say. We'll make our body material, let's say titanium. Let's make our stem material, I don't know, graphite. And now we've selected our materials, we submit our design, our order form comes up, we fill in our order form, we click send design, and that is going to send this design obviously to QMark, to their salespeople. It's also going to send an email to us with the dimensions and everything that we ordered so that we have confirmation of our order. The QMark salespeople will get back to you with a quote, and if you order, that probe will be shipped the same day. So if you're interested in this, you just go to cmms.com or cmms.com, and then you click on the design your own probe and then start your design, and that will take you through everything that I just showed you. Also, be sure to subscribe to their YouTube channel. There's a lot of useful videos out there that you don't want to miss, so be sure to subscribe to that. Again, that's QMark, same-day Styli, 100% guaranteed, and QMark is an ISO 9001 registered company, so check them out.